way to Universal, so this isn't really our intro, but look at that storm cloud. It's pretty intimidating. What do you think?
I think it's like an 80% chance today that it's gonna rain.
That looks like 100.
Well, there's that little spot over there. It's
Oh yeah.
covered.
So, well, we'll do our intro when we get to Universal, but we just wanted to show what the Elements is going to give us. See you guys later.
But like the weather's really bad today, so I guess we can do it like if it's good weather or bad weather, top weather type, like our top 5 for good or bad weather.
So the other cool thing too is some of our top 5 are the same. So
I'm trying to change it to where they're not the same.
They're going to be the same.
But it's kind of hard. So it's like, do we put them together and say our top 5, or should we keep them individual? Like, I don't know.
I don't know. We will see. But it's still going to be pretty cool.
Yeah.
She's Instagramming everybody. Make sure you.
The right time. So you can see it. There.
So what do they need to do to follow us on Instagram? Amber.
Go to our Instagram page and hit follow.
Which is?
ETA Echo Travel Adventures.
Okay.
Or if you type in ETA, or you can type in Echo Travel Adventures.
And they'll be able to find us and follow us.
Yeah. And if you do, you can like the pictures and stuff, because I'll post different pictures than what we don't have like on our vlog. So I try to post different stuff so it's not the same.
So it's not the same stuff that we post on our videos. It's different or the same. So it's both.
Either or, yes.
Okay. So Instagram.
Most of the time it's not the same. So that way I'm trying out different stuff for our social media. Brian's the one that does the editing stuff, and I'm gonna try to do the social media stuff.
I feel like your job's harder.
Sometimes it feels like it. So if you see me on my phone, it's not like me just doing random stuff. It's actually me doing stuff for this channel.
But when we're at Disney, I'm on the phone to get more rides, fast passes.
Yeah, then it's different. But here, because of our annual passes, we get to come after 4 o'clock and use Express.
So, sounds good. Echo Travel Adventures on Instagram. Follow us.
I'm trying to get Facebook up, but I think I use Instagram more. So, and then we're probably not going to use Twitter.
So we're not using Twitter?
No.
Alright, but make sure you subscribe to this too. We'll see you guys in the park. So, this right here, we've only been on once. And
it's like maybe a 2-minute ride, but you spend at least 3 hours in the queue.
yeah.
So I would say this is like for not that great of a ride.
It's definitely, yeah.
I mean, we like Jimmy Fallon, but I don't know.
So it is an interactive queue though, where you get to sit there and watch the Dapper, whatever, barber shop quartet,
and then the panda.
Yeah, but
I don't know. I would do express, but I don't know.
Well,
if it's
that's what we
any
did.
different.
We did express last time, I thought.
No, we did the virtual line. You want to try doing express and see if maybe we can try something different?
Try it.
Maybe it goes from bad to okay.
Maybe.
Let's try it.
Amber's always experimental.
Adventurous.
Yeah.
So we're in the express line.
The panda. It is cool though that you get different things to look at.
The whole time waiting, I think, or just the ride itself is like, I don't know if I do that.
You sound pretty passionate.
So hashtag the panda. There was no line. It was like 5 minutes.
I know.
So like you go straight onto the ride. So you skip everything. I mean, I don't remember it from last time.
I don't either.
I think it was like maybe a few minutes long.
Yeah. You know, it's not for me. It's not every Universal trip ride.
Yeah. Well, that's because we like Jimmy Fallon, but like if you're a huge fan, then definitely ride this. But like if you're not, and it's a slow day or it's raining or something, then you can come in and check it out and see what happens. If not, at least the gift shop. But
Yeah.
it wasn't
Probably stay on our
maybe
not the best
every
rides.
or every time we come here.
Yeah, we're going to the Blue Man.
Thank you. 20 minutes.
So
This is one of our favorites, both Ryan and myself.
there it is.
We usually try to ride this every time.
Yes, it's an awesome ride. What do you got?
Watermelon slushy.
Yep. Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go ride. See Imhotep
The curse.
and Brendan Crazy. Maybe he won't get spooked when he gets a coffee.
I don't know. That's why we got a slushy.
So,
Amore.
okay, some more. So we just got done with Mummy. Yes, definitely top 5.
Yeah, it's really good.
Do you ever get airborne, or is it just me?
I don't know. I think I was concentrating too hard on holding my sunglasses.
Oh, I get airborne.
But I I forget how like short it is.
It doesn't matter. It's so awesome.
Yeah, so it's really good, even still.
Yes. So now we're going to Amber's favorite, Transformers.
I'm sure you saw the video before.
Transformers, more than meets the eye.
Transmission from Megatron.
Then send it through.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Okay. So we just got done with Transformers. That is a fun ride. Amber's favorite. She loves Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're not going to ride it today, but ET is off that way. And it's not.
Kids zone area where the animal actors are past that.
It's not really every Universal trip ride for us.
It's like an honorable mention.
Yeah.
It's a classic ride.
Yes, it is.
Like some people can't go to Universal without going on it.
There, one that we bypassed when we were by Jimmy Fallon was also Fast and Furious. We've only rode that once, and we were disappointed.
It's
to be honest
a
with you.
big hype. I was super excited, but it was loud. I was not expecting that,
No.
and I think because you're not expecting that, it's like a downplay to it. I feel like, but now that we know what it's like and we can go on it again, perhaps maybe it's different.
Yeah. But definitely for sure not one of our favorite ones at this point in time of this video. But we're gonna go ride The Simpsons and go on to Men in Black.
Yours favorite ride is The Simpsons.
Yes.
Ours is Men in Black. So it's more like put together. We're not like countdowning it or anything. We're just saying what our favorites are as of now.
Yep. So, ready?
Yes.
I'm about to beat her in Men in Black.
She always beats me. But the secrets, you guys, I keep asking for secrets. Leave them in the comments. So like one day when he's not,
don't do it.
When he's not expecting it, you guys, I will beat him and it'll be help to you guys. So leave a comment.
Don't do it.
Do it, please. So we stopped in Springfield and we got in the Quickie Mart and we got some gummy bears. So we're just enjoying that. Regular gummy bears? Yeah.
Yeah, they're not like the, what do you call them? The gold or whatever?
I think they are though. They look like it. I don't know if you guys can tell.
Christmas colors. Hey, so we're over here at the Simpsons ride.
Oh no, don't do it low, because like you get everything.
So this is my favorite ride, so we're about to go into it.
I get dizzy like here on this one just about every time.
It's okay.
I'm not that excited, but we're going.
That's right. So we're done with Simpsons.
It smelled like vomit in there and that made it worse for me. So I was like, and then like I couldn't focus on the screen at all. So like I just stared at the infrared that's like right in front of you. So for me, it was, this time it was just super dizzy. I can't say anything, I'm trying to look straight.
For me, I feel like it got more bumpier. So it's still a favorite, but it's on its way down out of my top 5. So we're about to ride another top 5 of mine, Men in Black.
I'm excited about this one.
About to win, about to shoot some aliens.
Like I said, give me hints.
Don't.
Yes.
So
I won. I was at 250,125 points. What'd you get?
a lot less than that.
You got
101,000.
I don't know what I was doing, but I know I got the bonus.
That's what won.
100,000 lies.
Mine was broke, I suspect. No, I'm kidding. No, it's a fun ride. I love that ride.
When it spins, it always gets me.
At the end.
It's so fun though, yeah.
So, but we're off to Gringotts roller coaster.
Yeah, Harry Potter. The Harry Potter one, yeah. That's whose favorite?
Ours.
Both of our, yeah, it's
Ours.
both ours right
It's
now.
ours favorites. We didn't know about it except for maybe about a month ago. Actually, we found out about it on Mother's Day, and now we go to it on a regular basis.
Yeah, it's a fun ride. You don't expect it, but it's really cool. Like, I think everybody was so into the other one at the castle. It's so bad. We're only on the second movie, so we don't know.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're starting to watch those movies.
So we just finished the second. We'll be on the third one. So we bought all the series so that way
We could catch up and understand
and know
what
what's
each.
going on. So now we kind of get the references on some of the ones. So when we're watching, like, oh, that's what that means. We're way behind. If you see in the parks and we don't understand it, like, hey guys, we want you. This is what it means.
Alright, well, we're going to head over and then we'll be there.
Oh, I'm gonna get my butterbeer.
You want to get what?
I'm gonna get my butterbeer.
Yummy. Amber.
I'm super embarrassed because I'm just understanding all this. Because you walk around like, oh, that's what that means.
She's all turned into a Silas Powell Holmes.
I was like, I think just for now, but I don't know.
I'm not a snake.
It doesn't mean you're a snake. Are you not?
No. It grows on you. It's cream soda, that's all it is. So Green Guy, hey, where you going? Green Guy.
I like that ride a lot. It's too short, but
That drop.
it's so fun. But we're always in the back row. We're gonna have to get to the front row. Yeah.
So we're gonna go up to the other park, try the Hogwarts Express, and then we're gonna go ride the other Harry Potter ride. I don't remember the name of it.
Jurassic Park,
Jurassic
my
Park.
favorite. And then Popeye's another favorite of mine.
Right. And then someone's smoking. And then we'll probably go eat dinner at Hard Rock Cafe or something.
Hopefully, or at least go around City Walk or something.
Yeah. All right. It's raining.
So we rode that again. That's one of our other favorites. Don't wear your glasses because then they'll fall down. That always happens.
But we're off to Jurassic Park. It's raining.
It's raining, might as well.
I hate the rain.
Because goddamn.
Put it down though. Put it down.
It'll be fine. We're not going down any.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. The largest creatures ever to walk the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
How was that?
I can get my face like that.
And the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs. That includes Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops.
Guys, remember that last video? Today we had the backside of nothing.
Armored dinosaurs can often be found among the geothermal formations of Stegosaurus springs. Heavy armor plating and spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period.
Question. Are we the only ones that get on wet rides when it's raining?
Stopped raining, so technically.
Jurassic Park scientists
Drop.
provide herbivores with plenty of vegetation from their native period, ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent animals.
I'll never back I was like,
Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
look, no one ever been to Hadrosaur.
Here it comes.
Duck-billed dinosaurs such as
Alright, this is where we leave you.
I'm happy. I love that ride. We got
I'm soaked.
drenched. We are so drenched. We sat in the first row, and there's a couple behind us in the third row.
And that was
It
it.
was her first time. So of course we had to overdo it. She was scared and she's like, I actually like that ride. It was pretty fun.
That first drop, which is not even a drop, we're like, ah! And her boyfriend was like, thanks for playing that one out.
He was pretty happy that we did. So we'll probably see him either at another wet ride, because I mean, why not? Maybe. Brian's not too happy because it's also raining.
We have to go home in like an hour. The park closes. You can't get it dry enough.
Then
Well,
we'll do
okay.
the heat thing.
So we got here right when the park was shut down for
Yeah.
lightning.
Yeah.
So we couldn't ride the
we
wet
did a lot
rides.
of the inside rides.
Yeah, so. But yeah, I mean,
We'll try to
I'm
find.
talking soaking wet.
I have waterproof mascara.
So do I.
But we'll try to find either other rides, maybe not, like you can do, like we said earlier in the video, that's like weather related.
Yeah.
So we'll just see how it goes.
So, on a hot day, this is one of our favorite rides.
Yeah, but not right now.
I got wet. Anyway, so it's one of our favorite rides.
Nothing.
It just looks like it's coming after you.
It looks really cool though with the light.
Yeah, it does. Go ahead.
So it's like an honorary top or whatever. Especially
ride.
for like a hot day, like for summer and stuff.
Yeah. So Build's Barges is another one of our favorite rides. We call it Popeye,
A hot day.
but it's a nice hot day ride. You get completely drenched, not a dry seat in the house.
Cool thing, unlike Disney, they have like a plastic thing in the middle. So you can put your stuff.
But you can always tell when it's like really hot. Sorry. You can tell when it's really hot out that they put the jets up really high, and you can always tell.
Yeah, soaked. But we definitely, like every time we come on the ride right away, like if it's before 4 o'clock, before Express, we'll come here and then we'll go to the other one and we'll just get drenched and we're okay.
For the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Another, something that works that we do, we get the, what is it, banana, or no, we get the Hawaiian sunblock for the face. And we found out after the second time riding this ride that it kind of goes into your eyes and it kind of burns and all that kind of stuff, so it's really disorienting. So if you want to put any sunblock on your face, make sure it's sunblock.
Well, I wouldn't even put anything on your face if you're going to go on these first.
Or the
I'd wait till
waterproof.
you dry off
Yeah.
and then put sunscreen.
But just something that we've learned over time.
Yeah, unfortunately.
We are off on the other side. We're going to probably go look at comic book section of the park.
Yeah, maybe go on Spider-Man, so at least we have 5 on one of our lists.
Yeah.
Because the park closes in about 30 minutes or so.
Oh, and since we're already over here, so on the other side of the park, they have Dr. Seuss Land.
1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish.
And they have like Cat in the Hat and all that kind of stuff too.
Yeah, a little trading.
We go on there every once in a while, but we don't go there a lot. So, not that we don't like those rides, we hit the big ones, and then that's pretty much it. We only get here like between 3 and 4.
Well, that's because we can do it because we have the Express.
Right.
But if people are here all day, I would try to kind of plan it out first and maybe go a wet ride and then ride a few rides and then go on another wet ride or something.
Right.
Because in the first one of Jurassic Park, yeah, you do get pretty wet. So that's another wet ride to think of besides the 2 that we just said.
Speaking of wet, so we've also rode both of these 2 wet rides, and then we went to go ride Kong. Kong in the queue is pretty AC'd, and so it gets pretty cold. So, but it is what it is. But we will head over to Spider-Man, see what the wait time is for that, and go ahead and go on it.
Or get something else just to make our list a little bit. But we're just going with the weather and stuff like that.
Yeah, and
it's
there's
actually lightning too, so.
Yep.
So it may have not been exactly top 5, maybe top 6, top 4. We just were getting around with the rain and stuff, like.
I know.
So it's stuff that you can do in the rain or not in the rain. I guess it's just a mixture of a lot of different things.
Keep in mind, I believe this is the rule, but I think it's just a rule of thumb. So lightning has to be within like a 6 or 10 mile radius, and then every lightning strike resets a timer. And last time we had asked a cast member, it was 20 minutes or 30 minutes after the last strike. People get frustrated with the weather. Keep in mind, cast members can't control the weather as much as we think.
It's Florida. I mean, honestly, it rains a lot in the summer because of the hurricane season and everything else. So be prepared when packing or anything. You know, check the weather. Maybe bring a poncho or
umbrella to the park.
Yeah, we forgot ours in the park, so I had to buy another one. But like any shoes, waterproof shoes, anything like that.
Right.
Like sandals and stuff. Just make sure they might get wet. We don't know.
You know, so we have a combination of what we like here at Universal. So at least you have an idea. we didn't really go a certain way, except for trying to navigate through the rain. But yeah, so we will see you guys next week.
Don't forget to please subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified. Like we said, we're posting 5 videos a week now.
Right.